Shalom and welcome to another beautiful episode of our subscriber request series. Well, one of my subscribers sent me this image and she requested I would do something similar to this. In this tutorial, I will take you step by step how to make this flip-flop, waffle flip-flop for absolute beginners. Now, Shalom Crochet, welcome to my channel, Zero Crochet How To, and a very big thank you to all of my subscribers and my journey viewers. Thank you for liking and sharing my tutorials. Now, hands to work, gather all your materials and let's get started and commit your work to the Lord and your plans will be established. Proverbs 16 verse 3. Okay, I have my materials ready. This is the main material we need. I'll be working with 2 hooks. I'll start with the 4mm size hook. So let's get started. So we're going to start by creating a slip knot. And we're starting by the side. Just here. Go there, insert your hook below. And I can just bring in that. Don't worry, this beginning is, you see, you have it here, and you can just chain 1. And we're going to work along a tail. So you're going to pull that tail. You're going to pull that tail and bring it in front. Okay, and we're going to be making a single crochet. So you're going to yarn over. You're going to yarn over and bring it up and make a single crochet. Make a single crochet. Make a single crochet. You see, there's a lot of space, so you have to pull it down. Push it down so you can close that gap. We're done on this side and we're going to switch to this other side. Before you come here, count your stitches. Here I have 38 stitches, so I have to make 38 on this other side also. See, right up here. So we switch now to working on this other side, and as you're working, you're always pushing in the stitches. Presently, your work should be looking like this. We're going to start the ruffle. Oh, so you're going to chain 1. Chain your work. In this first stitch, you're going to make a single crochet. Yarn over, and into the second stitch, you're going to make a half double crochet. So you have 3 loops, pull off 3 loops, yarn over. Into the next stitch, you're going to make a double crochet. So pull out 2 loops and pull out 2 loops. Right. Now I'm going to change my hook to the 5mm size hook. So I do my ruffles with a 5mm size hook. Now you're going to yarn over, and then to that 4th stitch you're going to make 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. 3. Okay. Another into the next stitch, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Another into the next stitch, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. So you're going to repeat this all around, making 3 double crochet in each stitch, and I'll meet you at the end here when we have 3 stitches left here. Right, so go ahead and keep on working. Okay, get here, we have 1, 2, 3 stitches here, yarn over and make 1 double crochet, yarn over into the next stitch, you make a half double crochet, and into the last stitch you're going to make, and into the last stitch you're going to make a single crochet. Good. Chain 1 and fasten off your yarn. I'm going to go ahead and weave in your tails, Now we're going to make our last round, our last row. So make a slip knot. I double my yarn so that I can give me a 4-ply effect. I'm going to insert a hook here. And if you need more ruffles, all you can do is just go ahead and make three double crochet in each stitch again, making your ruffle more, right? So coming down the first stitch, here we have it. I'm going to walk along until I'm going to chain 1 and a single crochet. In each stitch, you're going to make a single crochet. So just walk along until this is the stitch, insert your hook there, bring the tail, and yarn over and make a single crochet. Go into the next stitch, insert your hook, bring the tail, walk along it, and make a single crochet. Insert your hook, bring the tail, make a single crochet, ruffle. And here we are done. We started working the single crochet from the left to the right. You can as well start this way, anyway will be good. And we're just going to adjust the slippers. If you just adjust it with your fingers, you see, that's what we did at the beginning here, helps give us a beautiful shape on the edge here. And thank you so very much for working with me. We do the sides exactly the same, having the same number of stitches count on both sides. And yeah, thank you for requesting this tutorial. It was such a beautiful adventure, and I'm meeting you in the next tutorial. Today, God bless. And if you're still at home mom like me, I encourage you to work from home, and I pray God bless the work of your hands. Tell me in the comment section below if you succeeded in creating this piece, and yeah, tell me what you want us to work on next time. So I'll meet you in the next tutorial. Today, God bless us and keep us and prosper the work of our hands. Shalom.